In this video, I'm going to do a breakdown of the ClearCryptos Analytics app and information that you see here and highlight some good points that I really like about it, about some of these things right now. My name is Adam Shelton and thank you for watching this video today. You are watching the ClearCrypto YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Now, look at this. Well, first thing I like about it is the interface of the actually dashboard and the whole application, and I can change the lighting here. I can change the color here and go to light and then go to dark. So that's one of the things I instantly realized when I got to the dashboard. The next thing is the information you see, the Ethereum market cap, the state of the market, and the socially active. So it gives me data and information on each key points of this. So it shows me this right here and also this and the graph of the Ethereum market cap, the state of the market. What I see is total market cap, last day, global volume, and Bitcoin dominance 24 hours. But one key point I like about it is when I click on read more, I get more data information of the state of the market. And so I can read this, or you can read this anytime you need to. The next point is a socially active, where you can actually choose whatever token that's socially active based off the information that I see here. So prime example, I see Zenu, I see the market rank and the price. But let's say I want to go check out one of the social media platforms of Zenu. So I click on Twitter, it directs me right to their Twitter site, and I get to learn more about this information, read about it, and also can make a better decision if I want to trade Zenu or do more deep information on Zenu. But if I click on this arrow button here, I'll get a chance to look at other cryptocurrency like Jasmine and do the same exact thing I just did with Zenu. I go directly right to their Twitter site and I learn more about that cryptocurrency. So this is one of the highlights I do like about this, is because I could do more information and more research. Now, if I skip all the way down, you notice the last update is 2 minutes. So this is more real time when you're looking at these pairs. Now, these are the hot pairs in the 24 hours, starting with Ethereum USDC is the first one, but all this biggest gainers and biggest losers is also in here as well. So the biggest gainers is going to be the biggest gainers, biggest losers is going to be the biggest losers, and then of course the hot pairs is going to be right there as well. So you can basically, if you're looking for something, the biggest gainers, look at this category. It's going to break it all down that you see the information here. Biggest losers, the same exact thing, just the opposite of biggest gainers, and just added exactly what it says. Just add it, and you see the time frame when this stuff is being added. Just more information and more data. So hot pairs, biggest gainers, biggest losers, just added. It's right there. Now, one thing at the top, you can click on search and actually search for information here. So if I want to go and say, hey, I want to type in DA or something like that, it's going to actually give me certain details. But I can also do something like this, exchange, and go right to the data. So check this out. Exchange, and I go right to Uniswap, and I go right to that Uniswap. You see that? So that's a nice little search area that if you want to go right to the specific area you're searching for. So let's go to live pairs real quick. Now, live pairs, we kind of talked about this on the other screen, but it's the same exact thing. You just get more data, and you see a chart that's right there. You see the chart, and this is one part I do like. If I click on one of the live pairs, the Pair Explorer is going to give me more data. Okay, more data, more numbers, more decisions, better decisions you can make on your trade. So you get the price information, market information, quick links, okay, meta information, and there you go. And also you get the trade history of that pairing as well. So you get the open, the highest price, lowest price, close price. So you get a chance to see all this information right there. So let's go down to the pair correlation, which you can put two search assets at the same time. So check this out. If I want to do Uniswap, ETH, and USDC, I go back. If I do Shiba Swap, okay, and I can calculate these, right? Let me see if I can add another one in there. Sushi Swap, okay. So I'm gonna do 3 of them here, and the Sushi is Ethereum USDT, Boni Ethereum Shiba Swap, ETH, and USDC Uniswap V2. Calculate that information, go over to the correlation metrics, and then I can start reading my data points. So now I'm seeing some numbers and some points here. Now, if you don't know what this area means, come down here, and this information right here will definitely give you the information data points, starting with the Pearson correlation coefficient and confident interval right there. So read this information there. It's definitely going to tell you some good points, especially with ETH and USDT looking pretty good actually. So let's go to the next spot. And then the last remaining spot is the swap. Now the swap interface is fantastic. The speed of the swap and also the easy use of a beginner or even expert is very, very good. So if I wanted to swap out my Ethereum for my ClearCryptos, all I have to do is connect my wallet, find MetaMask, Coinbase, or Wallet Connect, whatever wallet that you normally work with. And then from there, you'll go ahead and swap your Ethereum or your Ethereum, your USDT or USDT for any cryptocurrency that's available in the search box or available in search. So they do have ClearCryptos. They also have Shiba as well. So you definitely want to check that out as well if you want to. Now this last part, it says the help area, okay? So if you have any questions, thank you for contacting ClearCryptos support. Please provide the following information so we can help you. You can put your name, your first name, last name, email, and also can put some of your issues and the type of issue down here, and a ClearCryptos support person will get back to you. So that's really good to have a support behind this actually operation, especially with the ClearCryptos Analytics and the team of ClearCryptos. We want to make sure you are taken care of. So my name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Take it slow. You may want to watch the video a few times, and I hope this really helped you. If you have any questions, definitely fill out the help information, and let's have happy trading. My name is Adam Shelton, and this is the ClearCryptos YouTube channel, and I'll see you on the next video.